Hi, my name is Kyle Bruckner, and I'm a Senior Engineering Manager at RapDev. We are in a new age. Bill McDermott refers to it as a new era of digital transformation. RapDev sees it as Agentic AI transformation, and RapDev is aiming to be that premier partner. You can't just turn on Agentic AI. It takes some finesse. While there are out-of-box agents provided by ServiceNow, we need to navigate our way through the hornet's nest of complexity. Your technology, your people, and processes to leverage ServiceNow's AI Agent Studio and build out some custom agents that accommodate your unique needs. I like to think of A2IX being done in a set of AI adoption stages. The first one being experimental. So at the first stage, the experimental stage, you are experimenting with AI in isolated areas within your company, initiated by individual contributors rather than leadership driving. Some examples might be a change manager is leveraging ChatGPT to design or refactor a change management process, or your app teams are using GitHub Copilot to generate code. The second stage in the AI adoption process is tactical adoption. So in the second stage of tactical adoption, AI is being applied in several key areas with specific goals. Operational efficiency is being improved by this point. Some examples might be your CI/CD pipelines are integrated with GenAI to review commits. You might have a ServiceNow Now Assist running in ITSM to help summarize content on tickets, and you might have ServiceNow's text-to-code and text-to-flow running to increase developer efficiency. The third stage of AI adoption is strategic integration. At this point, AI has become a strategic enabler. It is embedded into core functions with integrated data pipelines to make suggestions and actually affect change across the org. And some examples you might have at this stage, you might have a change manager AI agent deployed that has permissions to coordinate the change process, ensuring all required information is present, and it can prevent conflicts and actually update records at will. An example I can provide that we have at RapDev, we have a Slack bot and custom GPTs integrated with our key data sources to improve the efficiency of retrieving information and generating information. The final stage is adaptive and autonomous. AI systems at this stage work together, make decisions with minimal to zero human intervention, and they're all governed by implemented guardrails or constraints. Some examples, your service desk presence might have reduced by 80%. You're probably leveraging a collection of AI agents to do this and an AI orchestrator. They all work together to triage issues and actually fulfill requests within your org. Another example might be your L3 support team no longer has to investigate issues for troubleshooting because multiple agents are connected to the appropriate data sources, and they collaborate to debug, solution, design, and actually make changes in the world to carry out their decisions, like merging a commit to a Git repo. Let's talk about productivity gains that RapDev targets for each step. When RapDev steps into your office, we're targeting to get specific productivity gains. We take a detailed approach to adjusting culture and process to no longer think about how to govern humans, but rather to more generally govern the procedures and protocols so that the responsibility can be transferred to the machines. We identify and prioritize key opportunities for those productivity gains. We work on the details to bring those gains to the bottom line. At stage 1, we like to see a productivity gain of around 10%. This is the experimental stage where your individual contributors are driving AI. In stage 2, the tactical adoption stage, we like to see productivity gains of 15%. In stage 3, strategic integration, this is the stage where leadership understands that GenAI is the mission and they start to implement it into key functions and data pipelines. We like to see productivity gains of 25% there. And the last stage, adaptive and autonomous, That's when AI agents are taking over piece by piece throughout your organization, team by team, process by process. We target productivity gains of over 70%. RapDev is ready and armed to take on your agentic AI transformation. We have proven technical expertise. We have the ITOM background to get data in, tag it, map it, make sense of it, and get all of the appropriate data sources integrated with your AI orchestrators on the ServiceNow platform.